In this video, I will show you how to draw in Evernote. First, log into your Evernote account. Once you're in, click on the Notes option on the left side of your screen to see all your notes. Click on the note where you want to draw and expand it by clicking here. Next, click on the Insert option at the top of the note. You'll see many options here. If you're using Evernote on your mobile phone, you'll also see a Sketch option among these choices. Tap on Sketch to start drawing directly on your note. This feature is only available in the mobile version of Evernote. However, if you're using Evernote on a browser or desktop app and don't see the Sketch option, you'll need to use a workaround. First, download a plain white image to your device. Open a new tab in your browser and search for Download Free White Image. You'll find many websites offering free plain white images. Download one and save it to your device. Now, go back to Evernote. Click on the Insert option again, and this time select Image. Upload the white image you just downloaded. Once the image is inserted into your note, click on it and then click on the pen icon, which resembles an edit tool. On the left side of the screen, you'll see options to select a color for your drawing. Choose a color and then click on the Draw option. Now you can start drawing on the white image. Use your mouse or touchpad to create your drawing. Once you're done, click on the Done option at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You can adjust the size and position of your drawing by dragging its corners. This method allows you to add drawings, sketches, or annotations to your notes, even if you're using the desktop or browser version of Evernote. This is how you can draw in Evernote.